Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix file corrupted. This program has been manipulated and maybe is affected by virus or cracked. So the first thing what you need to do here, if you have some sort of third-party antivirus software like Avast, McAfee or other, try uninstall them and then try again. So you just need to go to installed apps and just installed third-party antivirus software. And then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then what you need to do here, you need to find the game that you're having problems with. In my case, it's Apex Legends. Then you just need to right click on it, go to properties, install files, browse, and then you need to go and look for that particular folder and copy the directory of the game. Then you need to go to virus and threat protection. On virus and threat protection, you need to go to a virus and threat protection settings. Then scroll down until you see exclusions, add or remove exclusion, press yes, wait for a couple of seconds, press add an exclusion folder, and then just paste the path, okay? Paste the path and select particular folder. And after that, look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then go back to your game directory where is a exe file. In my case, is this one, so I just need to copy the path. Then go virus and threat protection. Then we need to go to a firewall and network protection. Then you need to go to advanced settings. Press yes. And then you should see this window here. Then you need to select outbound rules. Then select a new rule. Then here is good. Press next. Then in this program path, select browse and copy the path again. And then select exe file, right? Press open. And then you need to press next. Then press block connection. Then here should be good. Then you need to give it a name, for example, Apex Legends. And then press finish. And after that, launch the game and your issue should be solved. So that's pretty much it.